Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hola opulence. I'm so glad you are able to join us today. I've got another quick unboxing for you guys. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you slap that subscribe button. Make sure you slap that like button. Today, we're going to be talking about the Fear of God Adidas collab. I got another collab for you guys. It's going to be two unboxings. Basically, I've got the shoe, which is the um, Los Angeles Athletic Iker, and I've got the Athletic three-quarter tee as well. So we're gonna go with the three-quarter Athletic tee right here. You can see it is in a bag that has the details right there. Okay, and then you've got the Fear of God Adidas in front of it right there. And then at the back you have the 3 bars right there. And to open it, you just peel back the Velcro right there, and then that just opens it, and then we can take it out here. I will be trying it on for you guys so you can see exactly what it looks like. So this is the three-quarter Adidas Fear of God right there. It is in like a cream yellowish color right there, and it's got the Adidas Fear of God written in front, and the tag is right there, and it says Adidas Fear of God. If this thing can focus right here. Oh, there we go. Adidas Fear of God. And also the other tag has the sizing details right there. I got this one in a small, as you can see. And then I will be trying it on. So I'm gonna do my quick editing. So we're gonna switch back to it right now. This is the Adidas Fear of God Athletics three-quarter tee. All right, it is very, very baggy, very oversized. You can see right there, that is the Adidas in front. That's what it's looking like right there. I will move back so you can see, but close up, that is the neck right there. And then the back, that's what the back is looking like right here. So you can see the arm is oversized, and it's very, very spacey. So let me move back so you guys can see what that looks like. So you can see it right here. I chose to get this in a small because even though I want it to be oversized, I don't want it to be too oversized. Usually I will wear this in a medium, but I sized down to a small. So this is what the small looks like, the front and the back. All right. So he has like a kind of like a band at the bottom right here. You can see it. So yeah, it's really clean, very, very oversized. So just for size reference, I am 5'9" and I weigh about 192 pounds. So yeah, this is what a size small is looking like on me. So you guys see exactly what it looks like if you want to order in the future for yourself. All right, so let's jump right straight into the next one. This is the Adidas Athletic Los Angeles Hiker. You can see it right there. That is the details right there. Mine is in a size 10.5 because obviously this is a winter boot, and sometimes I might want to wear like a very thick socks with it, depending on if it is very, very cold. So I just sized up a little bit just to have that option to do that. So the box has got that 3-bar right there, the Adidas Fear of God 3 bars right there, and then you've got that Adidas on this side as well. And then The other side, there's nothing here, and there's another Adidas right there as well. And then I'm just gonna pop the lid. And on the inside, there's nothing as usual. If you watched the first one, the carbon colorway I did, I'm sure you guys know what the box looks like already. It's got like a little vent over there. And then if you look at the paper, it's got the Adidas Fear of God branding on the paper, the tissue paper right there. And then if you peel it back, you can see the wrapping right there. The two uh, shoe right there wrapped up really nice. All right, guys, you ready? This is it. One, two, three. Bam! That is it right there. The Adidas Fear of God Los Angeles Hiker. That is in the Sesame colorway. That is a really, really nice colorway. I really like that color. Uh, I'm gonna take the other foot out as well and I'll wrap it so we can talk about the material and the sizing again. So on the bottom, you can see it's got that jaggedy traction, like a wavy, jaggedy kind of like traction right there. And it's on the midsole, you have that sesame all the way round on kind of like a EVA foam on the midsole, going all the way around. And it has that runner style on the midsole. So it has a little bit to the heel right there. You can see right there. And on the back, you have that Fear of God branding like a black patch as usual. And on the upper, you have a mix of like a kind of like I don't know what to call this. Is it like it's like a rubber just going straight into the midsole right there, just combining with the suede on top. This is a really, really nice quality suede right there, as you can see. And on the back, you have that original Adidas logo on top of on a plastic right there. Uh, and it's on top of the suede right there. And then also you have like this strap right there, which is, I mean, it's kind of like a, I don't know how I can even describe this material. It's kind of like a strap, like a belt, kind of almost right there on top of the plastic Adidas original logo, and then that's going to be strapped down on that suede all the way in the top. And this is an all-round suede apart from like the mud guard in front right here. You can see it's got that rubber mud guard combination with the suede right there. And on the inner toe box, it has more of that suede right there. It's kind of like if a mid how can I put it? It's a hairy suede, but it's not too hairy, but it's kind of like medium hairy, which is very, very nice. Everything is in the sesame colorway. It's I won't say it's kind of like a grayish brown kind of there somewhere. The shoelaces are the same. You have a stopper right there in that same sesame colorway right there, and you have the three stripe right there on top of the stopper for the shoelace right there. So on the inside, actually the tongue as well, and the tongue is actually pretty nice. It is well padded on the inside right there. And then on the inside, you have that sock liner in that same colorway, that sesame colorway right there. The insole says Adidas Fear of God, and it has that same colorway, the sesame colorway. So basically, on this shoe, everything has the sesame colorway on it, apart from the Fear of God kind of like bar in the back right there. As you can see, it says Fear of God right there. So for me, this shoe for winter boot is really really nice because I already did the review on the carbon colorway on the same Los Angeles Icon boot, and I really really like it. So for sizing, what I will recommend is go through the size. If you don't wear thick socks, if you wear the normal Adidas socks, just stay true to size. But if you know you're in a cold area or you want to have the option to wear a thicker socks with it, just go half a size up. So for me, I did go half a size up, like I said. You can see the sizing right here. It says 10 and a half. So you can see it right there. So yeah, so pretty much that is it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you slap that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and comment in the section below. Let me know what you guys think about this particular one. If you are a big fan of winter boots, you definitely should add it to your collection. It is well worth it. So that is all I've got for you guys today. On to the next one. All opulence out.